All right. We've got an elevator here.
Yes, we do. No, it's just installed backwards. Oh, 2 concourses. We're going 2 down. And we're going re-leveling. Oh no, the interlock is over there. It's a GAL.
Interesting.
All right, let's see where we go. From Hydro, if you want to show that. Okay, upper concourse.
Slow.
Yeah. Now we'll go. Oh, there's trolley lines. That's right.
Yep.
I forgot about that. We going into the catacombs here, aren't we?
Building up the suspense, huh?
Yeah. And the lower concourse, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, there's the trolley.
Yep. I've read
Didn't
that.
even level. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes.
Okay, then.
Think we got it now?
Maybe.
Hey, you just gotta tell it. Where's the level?
Innovation bruiser there. Make this thing lovely.
I mean, it works, but at what cost?
Kind of works. All right. Oh, that's it.